meteorologist Michelle Muscatello with your Pinpoint Weather 12 forecast.
All right, well, you got to gear up for some rainy weather today. Steadiest and heaviest, the kind that will probably keep you inside in the morning and early afternoon, and then you may just grab the raincoat and want to head out for a walk anyway, even a little bit of drizzle or mist in the end of the day. Right now, though, this rain is just moving in. We did briefly have a little bit of wet snow that fell with the rainfall in the northern and western parts of Rhode Island, but no accumulation with that. In fact, you can see that rain and snow area lifting to the northward. Interior parts of Connecticut seeing maybe a little bit of sleet or wet snow mixing in into Hartford too. But again, the temperatures are mild enough that we are just looking at wet conditions this morning. About 42 degrees in the Providence area, 43 Newport, 45 in Westerly. Boston's at 40. New Bedford keeping up the morning here at 42 degrees. These temperatures are going to be in no hurry to warm up. We'll be stuck in the 30s. Chepachet right now at 35. So our three key things: it's a rainy day today. We're going to pick up about a half an inch to an inch of rain. The steadiest of the rain is early in the day, but some damp conditions lingering. Warm and windy on Friday, then dry and bright this weekend. Both weekend days looking good for getting outside. Plenty of sunshine, quiet weather for us, and that'll be nice to see. North Scituate, we've got the rain falling this morning. Our commute into work may be a little bit slow for those that are traveling today. Wipers and lights will need to be on in the morning hours. By the evening, a lot of that tapering off, but again, we don't really clear out. It's kind of misty and damp. And the reason why, we've got a couple of waves of low pressure here traveling along. This is the one, coastal one, that's going to be bringing some rain into our area throughout the day. So let's walk you hour by hour through the forecast. Again, stuck in the 40s, the moderate to heavy rainfall expected through the morning. By lunchtime, we're still dealing with widespread rain. 45 in Providence, a chilly 46 in Newport and New Bedford with some downpours and 46 degrees. As that slides to the east, overcast at 4 o'clock, some mist, some drizzle. Temperatures are up to the mid and upper 40s. Could see a couple of spots near the coastline topping 50 degrees. At 7 in the evening, mid 40s expected, cloudy skies, and then 11 o'clock, some fog, mist, and drizzle still possible. So here's a look at rainfall amounts. Anywhere between a half an inch and an inch of rain again expected. Then let's talk about Friday. So what we're going to be waiting on to get some warmth and some 60s is this warm front to lift north of our area. That, as it passes through, will come with a few showers. So it's still to the south of us Friday morning in the 40s when you wake up. Once that lifts through, our temperatures will climb through the 50s and even into the 60s. Now, we're mentioning that risk of showers on Friday, but notice again, it's not a washout. As this cold front gets closer to us, a passing shower to a possibility. 5 o'clock in the evening, it should be warm here. We could be well into the 60s. At that point, you can see along the coastline, low clouds and some cooler temperatures in the 50s there. Once that front clears the area, the temperatures will cool back down. So here's what it's looking like. Today's in the 40s at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Tomorrow's highs, depending on how much we can break into some sunshine, well into the 60s. And then watch that cold front come through. There goes the warmth Saturday morning. Back to some cooler air, and it'll be windy tomorrow along with those warm conditions. With winds off the water, we are expecting to be cooler at the shoreline. So upper 40s today, mid to upper 60s tomorrow. Saturday and Sunday are both good looking days, about 50 degrees on Saturday. Chilly Sunday, 20s in the morning, afternoon highs in the lower 40s. We're keeping an eye on Monday, late in the day, Monday and Monday night. There could be a coastal storm. Now, some of our computer models actually delivering a little bit of wintry weather with that system, so it's track dependent, something that we'll watch. We expect it to start on Monday, taper off on Tuesday with dry conditions Wednesday.